Mindia, Mind of India.
Cycling is one such thing which can be used as a commute. You can do utility, you can go shopping, you can buy things, you can get to places, you can use it for recreation, you can use it for sport. And the city becomes that much more lively when you have a lot of cyclists going around. While the cyclist is contributing a lot to the environment, to reducing traffic congestion and keeping themselves healthy, saving public funds, the responsibility of the motor vehicles to keeping them safe is also very important in these times. The primary concern for a lot of cyclists anywhere in India is about safety on the roads, because you're quite exposed to traffic and it is visually very difficult to understand how you can be safe on the bicycle. But what we have found is that in large cities where the traffic is moving quite slow, the cyclists are actually safer. How can we make motor vehicles care for the safety of cyclists? And this can only be done by communication. We want the cyclists to come out and communicate, hey, we are on the road, why don't you keep us safe? And it became all the more important for us to communicate the right for safety. So this time in October of 2020, on Gandhi Jayanti Day, we thought let's do a ride against road violence, which is also a part of the right for safety. We said let's not have violence on the road, let's have the motorists take care. And we did it on a socially distanced way on the outer ring road.
The event today is to build awareness for cycling, and it's also for cars and other vehicles to be aware that cyclists also have needs.
Cycling is fun and also it keeps you fit. At the same time, I think what is important is that we need to think about the safety of the cyclist, and that is the reason we are here today out.
The Cycle to Work campaign had brought a lot of companies together, and they were having their employees commute to work. Some of the large companies like Bosch were having hundreds of riders registered on Cycle to Work, and they were encouraging people to cycle to work.
A lot of IT industry, a lot of companies here which would benefit with reduced traffic, with more people taking on the cycle. So be fit, be safe, and ride for safety.
The government by that time had also realized that the outer ring road had 6 lakh IT employees who were cycling. A lot of them were cycling to work, and they wanted to encourage that. So they put the Directorate of Urban Land Transport with BBMP and the local elected representatives came together and said, let's have segregated bicycle facility on the outer ring road to facilitate a lot of people to ride safely. So I believe this is one of a kind where the civic society, including the cycling community, came together with the government who's provisioning infrastructure and the corporates who are encouraging cycling to work. We all came together and did this ride for safety, and that's the journey of having safe roads in Bengaluru for cyclists and safety for cyclists on the road. And this journey is only going to take off from here and continue in the future. We are looking at more and more corporate participation. We are looking for more and more facilities from the government, and as cyclists we take responsibility of communicating to people that hey, let's be safe, and motorists need to take care of us, and that's how it is going to be.
Mindia, Mind of India.